The new Samsung Family Hub 4.0 refrigerator will provide a smoother interface to use that builds on the application enhancements of previous generations. You can still go to the grocery store and check. But now, the fridge can also let you know if you have left the door open. Samsung says it wants to turn the refrigerator into a smart home assistant. There is a feature called Personalized Family Board that will allow users to add and customize their activities and interests. Meanwhile, Samsung also redesigned the home screen of the refrigerator screen to make it more functional and easier to use. Samsung this year says that Bixby has been improved, modifying voice commands to be more conversational and interactive by including a more natural language.